people have been asking about how we do this type of arithmetic. We don't do long division in year 5, so we need to think of an alternative way to do this. And this is the way that I've been suggesting to the children in here. So I hope this helps some of you. What we need to do is we need to find out how many 913s there are in 20,999. And because we're not going to do a long division, we need to think of a different way to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to estimate first. So we're going to take 913 and we're just going to round it down to 900, okay? And then we're going to take 20,999 and we'll round it to 21,000, okay? So then what I want you to do is think about how many 900s there are in 21,000, roughly, okay? So this is very roughly. So if you multiply 900 by 10, you get 9,000, okay? So multiply it by 10 and you get 9,000. So if we multiply it by another 10, we would get 18,000. Okay, so we're getting close. So at the moment, we've multiplied 900 by 20 and we've got to 18,000. We need to get to 20,999, okay? And don't forget, we have got this 13 here. So let's just still get as close as we can to 21,000. So if we had to add on another 900, we'll get 18,900. And then another one, okay, we would get 19,800. Another one, 20,700. So we're getting there, okay? So let's add on another 3, okay? So what I want you to do is, at the moment, we've got 18,000 because we've multiplied by 20. If we multiply that by another 3, so 3 more 900s, which is 2,700, and then we add it onto this, okay, we're getting there, okay? So what I'm now going to do is do a multiplication just to check it. So I think it's going to be about 23, okay? So now I'm going to do a multiplication. I'm going to do 913 multiplied by 23. Okay, I'm going to make sure I do a long multiplication. So 3 times 3 is 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 times 9 is 27. Put my 0, the hero. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 9 is 18. Now I need to add them up. 9, 9, 9, 10, 1 and 1 is 2. And that's the number that I wanted. So through estimating, I then end up doing a multiplication to check, and then I've got my answer. So the answer up here would be 23. If I had guessed at 22, and it would have been a little bit less than 20,919, then I can just have another go and think, right, okay, I know that it's going to be one more set of 913, and you could either check it by adding it on to what you've got or doing another multiplication. So I know it's a bit of a long process, but this is how I want you to do it. Unless you already know how to do long division, obviously I'm not going to stop you doing that if you already know. Okay, but this is the process that I'd like you to use if you're not sure. I hope that helps some of you. For some of the questions, you can do the inverse operation as well. So if the missing number is at the beginning, you can do, if it's a multiplication, you can generally do a division. I know it's trickier if you're choosing the green level because the numbers are much bigger. Okay, but you always need to check your work by doing the actual calculation or doing the inverse. So that's what I've done here. Okay, so remember the inverse of division is multiplication. The inverse of addition is subtraction, and vice versa. Okay, so I hope that's helped everybody. If you're really not sure, please come to the drop-in. Okay, I'm not going to be concerned that you've come and that you're really struggling, because I know that you're not, because you would have dropped in already. But if there is anything, and this is tricky, okay, and if there is anything, please do just drop in. All right, it's only me in the drop in, so it'll only be me and you talking to each other. So anybody that needs help, just please drop in. Okay, I hope that helps, and I'll see you all later on the Teams meeting. Okay, bye.